In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sign-up forms on Mailchimp. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to Mailchimp's website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. If you're new to Mailchimp, make sure you've set up an account beforehand. With access to the dashboard, we'll need to find our way to the sign-up forms section. Start by clicking on the Audience tab. This is where you'll manage your subscribers and email lists. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Sign-up Forms. This will take you to a hub where you can choose from several types of forms, each offering a different way to gather your subscribers' information. Mailchimp provides a variety of form types to suit different needs. Let's explore these briefly so you can decide which one is best for you. First, we have the Form Builder, an intuitive drag and drop tool that allows you to tailor your form's appearance and fields to match your brand. It's all about simplicity here. Next up are embedded forms. These are perfect if you want your form to live right on your website. They come with HTML code you can paste directly into your site's code. Then there's the subscriber pop-up. This nifty feature causes a pop-up to appear on your website, prompting users to subscribe as they browse. Finally, for those who prefer a standalone option, there are landing pages. These serve as dedicated pages for sign-ups, which you can link to in your marketing materials or social media posts. For now, let's zero in on creating a form using the Form Builder. So, in your list of options, click on Form Builder. Here, you can really get creative. Customize your form by adding various fields such as the user's name, email, phone number, and more, depending on the information you'd like to collect. This is your chance to make the form visually appealing and coherent with your brand's design. Perhaps you'd like to have your form embedded directly into your site. If that's the case, let's choose Embedded Forms from the list. Once you've selected this option, Mailchimp will generate an HTML code for you. You'll need to copy this code, go to your website's HTML editor, and paste the code into the specific location on your web page where you want this form to appear. This will ensure your sign-up form seamlessly integrates into your site, making it easy for visitors to find and use. And there you have it. You've learned not only how to create a form on Mailchimp, but also how to integrate it directly into your website for maximum exposure. This step-by-step guide should make the process straightforward and efficient for you. Happy form creating.